Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you in detail how to make your own homemade calcium fertilizer for free. This is amazing, especially for your tomatoes to prevent that blossom end rot. This is going to be super easy. Let me show you how to do it. All right, this is really easy to do. To do this, we're going to use eggshells. Just save your eggshells after you use your eggs. We have chickens, we always have a lot of eggshells. All you're gonna do is you're gonna clean your eggshells, you're gonna dry them, you're gonna put them in a grinder, blend them into a powder, put them in your jar with some vinegar. That's gonna pull the calcium out into liquid solution into a form that your plants can actually take in. All right, we have lots and lots of yard eggs and they make great fertilizer. The calcium in the shells is perfect. However, it's calcium carbonate and that does not break down very well. If you just put those shells, even if you crush them into your garden, it's going to take years for that to break down enough for your plants to eat them. So we're going to speed the process up with a simple little science project that is very like the little volcanoes you made in grade school with baking soda and vinegar. Calcium is a base, vinegar is an acid. When we put them together, they're going to have a reaction. So the ideal ratio is 10 to 1. 1 part eggshell to 10 part vinegar. You can use any acid, you can use lemon juice, lime juice, but because you're using so much, white vinegar will work. It's sufficient, it's cheap, it's easy to get. So don't do too much. My temptation is to pour all of this in there. And if I do, we're gonna get a volcano. Keep it to your 10 to 1 ratio. And so I'm gonna do half a cup of the eggshells to 5 cups of white vinegar. If I was gonna do a whole cup, I would do 10 cups of white vinegar. But if we did that, we would probably spill all over the place. So we're gonna do small batches. So right now we're gonna pour in, I've got 5 cups of white vinegar in our big old pickle jar, 1 gallon jar. And we're gonna put half a cup pulverized eggshells. And right away, you're gonna see it start reacting. This is going to continue to react for up to 2 weeks. You could use it after 2 or 3 days, but the longer you leave it, the more calcium it's going to pull out of it. If you do it after 2 or 3 days, I'd recommend straining it, because if you use it in your spray pump like that, it's liable to clog it up because there will still be some hard pieces. But if you just put a cloth top on this so it can breathe, don't seal it up with this because you'll get an explosion. It might crack your jar, it's building gases, but put a breathable cloth lid, a coffee filter, paper towel, something like that, and just put it away for 2 weeks and it will completely dissolve your eggshells and you'll get all of the calcium out of it. All right, our solution is finished. It is made. This is our fertilizer. This is a lot. This is gonna probably last me a very long time. Here's why: it's super concentrated. Don't put this directly on your plants. It's too strong for that. If you're gonna use a spray bottle to spray it directly onto your leaves, you're gonna use this full of water with a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of our solution. That's it. Now, you don't have to spray it on the leaves. You can pour it into the ground. If you're gonna use a watering can like this, you're gonna use 1 tablespoon of our solution per gallon of water. That's it. And you only wanna put this on maybe like once a month. You don't wanna put it on too often. There is vinegar in the solution. Now, the calcium has neutralized some of the acidity, but you're gonna dilute it enough to where that doesn't affect the pH of your soil. The watering can, you would be pouring it straight into the soil. The sprayer, you would be putting it directly on the leaves for them to absorb it. The evening or early morning, I like evening, is probably the best time to spray directly onto the plant. It's that simple. Don't you love it? I hope you have found this information useful. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to be notified every time we put out new information. Thank you for watching, and as always, come back. We'll see you next time.